All right, well, today, since we are in the beginning of October, can you believe it? It's October 2nd already, but today starts back up repayment of student loans for millions of people since the payments were suspended during the pandemic. There's a lot to know about the changes, so let's bring in our consumer reporter, Hank Winchester, to kind of walk us all through. And Hank, I know that different lenders have different things, like people have to start paying now. Some don't have to for a couple of months, so get us straightened up on what we need to know.
You're right. October 1st is a big key deadline, right? So that is when the payments start again. You may remember they were halted during the pandemic, giving 28 million Americans some relief financially. Well, now that time has come and gone. As you mentioned, though, this doesn't mean that everybody has to make a payment today or tomorrow. What you need to do is you need to check in with your loan company. You need to find out what your payment plan is. So no different than your vehicle, your mortgage. Everybody likely has a different due date. Just October 1 is essentially the government telling us, hey, everybody, be on alert. During the month of October, you're likely going to begin making those payments again. And for some Americans, it's a pretty hefty amount. I mean, the average loan amount in the United States is almost $40,000. So this is an opportunity, unfortunately, for people to have to get on back financial grounding and get in touch with their loan company to find out exactly when that payment is due and how much they're going to have to pay each month.
Hank, I know that we covered a lot of political back and forth if there was going to be some kind of freezing of these payments or student debt relief altogether. Would advice be, or experts telling you, saying people don't delay? This is, you have to get back onto this. Don't wait to see if something else might be coming or pausing these payments.
Absolutely. I mean, you have to. I mean, listen, here's the deal. The federal government just narrowly avoided a shutdown. This is not priority number one right now. The Biden administration worked to hammer this deal out about a year ago unsuccessfully. They're focused on other things right now. So you, as somebody who has student debt, if you do, you need to figure this out right now. Now, also, we should tell you that we heard from Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel today. We're going to be having her comments later today on Local 4. But the headline here is, of course, they are worried about scammers. They're worried about people trying to take advantage of those who now have to make their financial situation available, maybe putting out their debit card or credit card information or their banking information. We, of course, want you to be safe and cautious and only do that through the loan institution that you are dealing with. Nessel brings up a good point, though. This is a prime opportunity for these scammers to try to reach out to people and take advantage of the situation.
All right, and so you're going to have one place that we're going to be able to go to on clickondetroit.com for the very latest information on this. And you're going to have that story, what, at 4, 5, or 6 today?
We're going to have it tonight at 5 o'clock, and we'll put all that information that you mentioned so you can check your own loan status on the Help Me Hank page at clickondetroit.com. But we're working with financial experts, getting their reaction, heading over to Wayne State today, talking to students. We'll have the full report live for you tonight at 5:15.
All right, sounds good. Thanks so much, Hank. It's good to see you on a Monday.
Good to see you, too. Enjoy the day.
Okay. All right. Thanks so much. Yeah, we'll have that for you. And make sure you check back on clickondetroit.com for all of that information.